Hi, Jim from Tropic Power Sports, and what I want to show you today is how to remount a turn signal that you've accidentally knocked off its mount. Wiping this bike off, I actually knocked this turn signal off its stem. No need to buy one. I'm going to show you how to fix it. In the back of the turn signal, there is one small Phillips screw. Remove the screw. Make sure you don't lose it when it drops out. Remove the lens, and inside the housing is the light assembly. And what I want to show you is the light assembly is made like a fork. The stem has a groove that runs all the way around the outside. The housing, when it's together, will slide over the groove, and that's what holds it on. So with the assembly in the housing, push the housing on the stem, slide the assembly fork over that groove, put your lens back on. Oops, don't drop your screwdriver. And there you go. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at Tropic Power Sports, 239-690-2925. Have a good day.